shake it. But I'd have to leave it behind. Now it's so much better. I'm funkin' out in every way, but I'll never lose that feeling of how I learned my lesson that day. They were dancing and singing and moving to the groove, and just when they hit me, somebody turned around and said, "Play that funky music, white boy. Play that funky music, right? Play that funky music, white boy. Lay down the boogie and play that funky music till you die. Oh, till you die." They shouted, "Play that funky music, play 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 that funky music, white boy. Lay down that boogie and play that funky music till you die."
Thank you very much.